Have you ever been in the middle of a flight when the crew brings out the very special instructions booklet? You know, the very, very, very special one? You know, the one that's highlighted in yellow and red? Have you? Well, it happened to me the other day. I was flying into Vancouver, and then suddenly we hear the captain. What the fuck? Pedro, concentrate. What is he saying? And I'm like squinting with my ears, and then suddenly it makes sense. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain says, we're going to interrupt this meal service because we're going to be heading into turbulence. And I'm like, okay. And then suddenly, the plane turns hard left and down at incredible speeds, and I'm like, ha, this is not turbulence. This is something else, right? So 10 full minutes go, and this is the way the airplane's going, and then suddenly, so the captain said, we've detected a fire in the cargo area. We've detected a fire in the cargo area. And then this crew member starts pacing around, moving around, up and down the aisle, losing their shit. And then there's 3 innocent teenagers playing around in the seat in front of me, and he goes, shut the f*** up! Shut the f*** up! Shut the f*** up! And buckle up, your little f***! And I'm like, what's going on here? Aren't we supposed to remain calm? And then the whole crew comes out with a very special booklet. And they start teaching us how to brace for impact.
That's not good.
Okay? And then, so, that's when everybody else started losing their shit. There was 2 girls right beside me, and they start holding hands, and they start just immediately going into the Lord's Prayer in Spanish, and they were going like, Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre, vénganos tu reino. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is serious. 2 rows in front of me, the super eager millennial couple just bracing for impact. Already bracing for impact. I was like, honey, your hands need to go higher, you know? Elbows straight, you know? Soft spine, babe, soft spine.